Today we're going to be working on another Amazon's interview question. This is Leetcode question number 55, jump game. So you're going to be jumping starting from the first index, and if it is 2, you can jump up to 2 indices. And if you are here on index 3, you can actually jump up to 3 more indices and get to the fourth one. So over here you're going to be returning true, because starting from the 0th index you can jump on the first one, and then you can actually jump 3 times, or 1 or 2, 1 2 and 3 times, in order to get to the final one. Or you could have done is like, from here you jump to twice and get here, and from here you jump once, and from here you get jump once in order to get there. In this solution, in this example, the answer is going to be false. Reason being, this can go here, 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 but these are the only possibilities. This can go up to this one, or 0th, the entry with the 0 value, and this can go up to here. None of them can take you to the last index, and the result is going to be false. So before actually getting to an O of n solution, let's talk about it how you would do naively. So basically you will have a for loop which will go from the 0th index to the last index, and from every single value you're gonna have another loop which is gonna be starting from maybe 1 and go up to the value of that index, value of that element at that index. So you're gonna have two loops in there, and then if any of while within those two for loops, if you ever get to the last index, you can send true, otherwise false. Now here's the solution which will more likely to pass the interview. Is like, it's an O of n solution. It's not that intuitive, but what happens is, like, if we start from here, right, and then we say that we have a last position, right, which is also equal to the um, index, like the value of the number of elements minus 1, that would be 4, because we have a total of 5 elements, and we're gonna start I from 4 and keep decrementing until we go to the 0th index. The value of I, if it is I is here, currently is gonna be this value, which is gonna be 4, and we also are gonna need our sum of these two things, which is gonna be equal to 8. Every single time when we do that, we're gonna make a comparison of this thing, which is I plus num of I. Is it equal to the last position or not? Equal to or greater than last position or not? If that is the case, we are gonna make our last position equal to 4, right? And we know eventually this is gonna reach to 0, because we are decrementing and it's gonna go up to 0th index. If the last position in the end is equal to 0, that means we were successfully able to get there. Otherwise, the thing is that we will not be, if it is the last position in the end doing so, what I just explained, if you are not able to get to the last position equal to 0, that would mean that the answer is false. So let's see that 4 and 4 plus was 8, it is less than equal to, and you can see that's the only condition we check here, that their sum is greater than equal to the last position, and the last position is equal to, we're going to update the last position to I. We just did that. We're going to decrement our I to 3. The value over there is equal to 1. The sum is equal to 5. Is this value still greater than or equal to last position? Yes, it is. This is gonna get updated to I again. Okay, we're gonna decrement our I. The value over there is 1. The sum is equal to 3. Is this value greater than equal to the last position? Yes, it is. So this is gonna get updated to I, which is equal to 2. Okay. Okay, this is gonna get decremented to 1. The value is equal to 3. The sum is equal to 4. It is still greater than equal to last position, and this is gonna get updated to 1. And lastly, this is gonna go here at 0. The value over there is equal to 2, and the sum is equal to 2. And then because this is still greater than equal to last position becomes equal to 0. We're gonna end our loop because we just want to go up to I is greater than equal to 0, and in the end the last position is going to be equal to 0, so we're going to be returning true. Let's take an example here of when things won't work out. I mean, when we're going to be returning false, the initial position is going to be the initial position is just how many elements do you have, -1, still stays the same answer. Index is going to start from the here, and the value is equal to 4, and their sum is equal to 8. Is it greater than equal to the last position? It is. It is gonna get updated to ith position, which is still gonna be 4, but then the I is gonna move here 3. Now the value over there is 0. The sum is equal to 3. This won't get updated because 3 is not greater than equal to last position, so last position is gonna stay there. Then we're gonna go to 2. Oops, the value is 1. The sum is again 3. Still less than that. We're gonna go to 1. The value is 2. The sum is still 3. Then we're gonna go to 0. Still 3 is less than the last position, won't get updated. Is equal to 0. The value is 3. The sum is 3, and this is still less than that. So we're gonna come out of the loop, and the won't be changed, so it's gonna stay 4. So it's gonna be we're gonna be returning false. In terms of the complexity, we're not using any extra space, so constant space. And in terms of the time complexity, we are doing it linearly. We are just doing it in one iteration, going from here to here. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. Thanks for watching.